Welcome back, James T here, preparing for Sturgis 2022. I'm having a slight problem with my Saddlemen S3500 sissy bar bag. You're going to want to see this. Alright, one of the main features, selling features to the Saddlemen S3500 sissy bar bag is its ability to fit any sissy bar pad, back pad if you will. Okay, these come out, adjusting rods here, and they make it seem that no matter what you have, it's gonna fit. Watch this. Get this out the way. Make it easier. This is supposed to slide right over the sissy bar pad. As you can see, it does not fit. It's too wide. I have a 2006 Road Glide. I've had this on this bike since 2006. This happens to be over 14 inches from this point to this point. And that is apparently way too wide from here to here. So I think I have a solution. I ordered another pad for the backrest here, the sissy bar. So we'll see how that's going to work out. I'm going to take this one off, put the other pad on, and we'll see what happens with that. Okay, I got to take this off. I ordered a new sissy bar pad. It's narrower. See if it works. This is going to take a 5/32 Allen wrench to get these 3 screws out. So let me do that, then I get right back to you. I'm going to assemble and put the new pad on. All right, I'm back. I had a few more problems. Let me point them out to you. And first of all, I'm going to point out the quality. This backpack, this sissy bar pad here is an original. It's a Harley Davidson. The quality is really good. Bolts are good. This is not. This is like a copy or something. And the quality of the material is not that great. Don't know how long this is going to last. And my bolts that originally held this to the sissy bar didn't fit. I had to get some new ones for this one. This turns out to be metric, a 6mm by 30mm. That was hard to find. I couldn't go to Lowe's and find it. I had to go to a place called Marshall's to find that. So, but I got it on there. I'm going to show you. Okay, let's take a look and see what happens. Now, see if this is going to work. Okay. Remember, this is one of the selling features that you can fit any sissy bar pad, but that's not true. This pad is 12 inches from here to here. The other pad was 14 inches from here to here. Let's see how this works. Okay. It goes on. Okay. I really like the Saddlemen S3500. I really like it. So I went to great lengths to try to make sure I could still use it. But I won't be needing their rods to adjust the size of the thing. This is going to fit right through here and strap on. Anyway, I guess that's basically it. And that's what I had to do to get this to work, to get this to fit. I'm experimenting with how to bolt this thing down. Or strap it down, I should say. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I lost it. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Right there. I feel like that may be a good anchor point on this side. Obviously, I have. Now you can't really see it, can you? Come out. I got this strap. Got that going around there. And I have a strap here. And I have a strap on this side also. There. So I got 5 points of connection to hold this thing down, because you know at 80 miles an hour, that's a lot of wind. So we don't want to take any chances, anything flying off. Of course, I got to figure out how to put those up. Anyway, that's basically it. So don't let them tell you that this will fit all sissy bar pads, because it will not. I had to buy another pad, smaller, so that this will fit around it. That doesn't bother me. But it's a big hassle, let me tell you that. Give you a better look of this thing on the motorcycle. See what it looks like. Coming on to my right. Still can't see it that good. The sun is not good for me right here. Left side. It's a nice bag. All right, get back to you in a minute. Hey, James T here. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope that video helps someone out. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pay closer attention to the advertisements and see what they don't tell me, because this reminds me of when they talk about electric vehicles and they say, hey, get 250 miles per charge, but they never tell you if it was going 80 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, uphill, downhill, what the ambient temperature was like, or anything, because ambient temperature affects battery life grossly. But that's a different subject. And my 9-year-old granddaughter, she said, well, that's false advertisement. I said, no, baby, it's not false advertisement. They just didn't tell you the limitations of the sissy bar bag. They just didn't tell you. It was not mentioned. They mentioned that it's adjustable to sissy bar pads, but they do not tell you that there's a limitation as to how wide that can be. Anyway, I hope it was enjoyable. I hope it was informative. If it was informative, you got something out of it, that's great. That's all I'm trying to do. Oh yeah, one thing. I found this very interesting. They say here, if you have any doubts or questions, seek professional help at your qualified motorcycle dealer or call Saddlemen. I said, wow, yeah, really? Yeah, and inside here, you can see that they show you how to use the apparatus there to make it fit different sissy bar pads, but they never mention here, this is supposed to be the wide pad here. They never mention the outer limits of how wide that pad can be. So you never know. So you end up buying it and you find out your pad is too wide, and you end up doing what I did, getting a new pad. I really like the Saddlemen S3500 sissy bar bag. I think it's fantastic. It's gonna give me more room. I can carry more stuff when I buy things, when I go to Sturgis or wherever. Anyway, I digress. I want to thank you for joining me today, and please like and give me some comments, please. I'm looking forward to those, and I will see you guys and gals, women, girls, what should I say these days? Anyway, I want to see y'all in Sturgis